What?
Doing a video of you walking. No, it shows you, not me. It shows you. And I wanted to see the trail. Of the pretty trail. Not us. You gotta show
How about Margaret?
You don't see her. Yeah. That's what I said. I wish I could put it inside my pocket. I gotta do one of those things. Yeah, you see the trail. You see it.
Where are you?
I'm not in it because now the camera you can turn it.
No,
Look,
the camera's you're supposed to be in the thing.
I don't want to be in it. Look, right here. You can switch it over. Right there, push that, and you can. All right.
My wife's still trying to boss me around hiking. We just saw a bear.
You can see no damn bear, but that shit. Push the thing in and switch over.
Need some toilet paper?
I do not. I think it's this here. You switch over. Oh, see now you doing the trail.
You put it on your chest. Velcro.
I don't have Velcro.
You need to get yourself.
I know.
Here goes that third white person.
Not too many of us is right here.
1 in 5.
This is really nice. So,
Recreation center for.
what is it to? What street is that? Who is that? I know, but what street?
So we came down.
It's like a park.
So that's Briar Forest.
Briar Forest. It's like daycare or something. Well, no, it's a recreation center. The green part is. I don't know. Good morning. Okay. All this. Now the water done dried up in there a little bit. It's the creek. We're still.
That's the water that comes off the houses.
So what street is that over there? What neighborhood is that?
This is somewhere.
Oh, I like that terrace down. That looks sweet.
That's Briar Forest that goes that way.
Nice houses, big houses.
Total distance 3.01 miles.
Oh, we walked 3 miles.
Total time 56 minutes and 52 seconds.
56 minutes, 52 seconds, 3.2 miles. We walked already, Daddy.
Sir, do you know what? Is that a school over there?
No, that's the club. The
Clubhouse?
area club.
The clubhouse for the.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Thank you. For the neighborhood, that's their club. That's nice. Shit, hella nice. I would never go outside. Never go outside. Beautiful homes.
That's all the mamas in there that don't work.
Shit.
Might be a golf course though, not that I know of.
Well, I don't know.
You have to walk out one day and go down the street to a street if there's a street down there.
Yeah. Invade the neighborhood like we do. So, oh God.
Oh, Hersey
Now look
Creek.
at that little hole there. Is that where? Oh shit! Wait a minute.
That ain't a hole.
It is something.
Grass up against the fence.
Something's coming through there.
Go on in it.
I'm not going in there. Something's coming through there. What hospital is around here? It's the 2 mile marker.
From the end of the park.
From by the library.
So that was 1 3/4, so it might just be a mile and 3/4.
Oh, coming from Interstate 10?
So that's it. Because you get in, you can make a U-turn and come back.
That's where the big old canal water drops at? Okay. So sorry. I know, right? Good morning.
Everybody got on headphones.
I know. Now that's a way to get down up in there.
Yeah, it's just a creek.
I know, but it has a trail on the other side.
That's where you're hiking.
On Derry Ashford, you can get down through there, or
Get down here right here if you want to.
no, ma'am, no, sir.
Okay, this is not talking about
I
like you
can
want to
say
get
what the fuck I want to say.
down. Shit, yo, I'm gonna roll you off. Gas down
I
in that
don't
hill.
know. I like Houston parks, though. I do.
Those big dogs.
Oh yeah.
I figure out where this is going.
A lot of sitting area. You can rest. Good morning. Is it designated to someone?
Died on the trail.
He did not go on the trail. At least the vegetation is really great, and they got it cut back. It's nothing like, well, hell, you can't stop what's coming out of there, but
On the tree, yeah.
still,
They just cut it right.
they cut it back, so you can.
They just run the lawnmower right to the edge. If it's out there, get cut off.
Well, you know, that's the creek down there. It's just a drop off. Shit.
Put on your boots, go out there and catch you some crawfish,
Who crawfishing? No, nobody crawfish over here, Daddy.
salamanders.
None of that.
Put them on a stick. Teach you how to survive.
Shit. But they have a hiking trail. We can get a.
You can do it.
We can do it. Not me. We can do it.
You got his little box. I bet this Jim.
No, it's not
Yeah.
you. No.
How are you?
Good morning.
Good morning,
What
darling.
neighborhood is this right here?
This is Nottingham West.
So Nottingham, that's off of Memorial. Right?
Yes. St.
Okay.
John Vianney Church is like right. You know that
Right
little
here.
bridge that you
Yeah.
just pass over, the little white bridge. That's
The green-
St.
Okay.
Yeah, that's St. John Vianney Catholic Church.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So
I've
that's
been back there one time.
That's pretty close to Memorial Drive.
Right. I used to work for AT&T, and that was part of my work here. And I said, I don't know, I'm turned around for some odd reason.
Well, because we go kind of slowly when we walk around here. It almost seems like, yeah, there's some curves, but like this is a straight line.
Straight shot.
Yeah.
But it's not.
Yeah.
Not.
It goes, you know, it kind of, right now we're in an area that's actually kind of walking
North. Okay.
and you're kind of walking south this way. Then it kind of straightens out and kind of heads more west.
Okay.
Or I mean east.
East.
Yeah.
And then on the other side of Eldridge, that long straightaway that leads to Highway 6, that's almost dead west.
Right. Okay.
So it
we
kind of,
we came down Eldridge, but I rode my bike down to 10 down that way.
Right.
But I didn't come back this way. I came back a different way. So I was trying to figure out. I said, well, Derry Ashford is somewhere around here.
Derry Ashford is about almost a mile and a half that way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And it's pretty flat, like
Nah.
we've been going.
Yes.
On the other side of Derry Ashford to Kirkwood, it starts to get hilly.
Incline.
Yeah, we walked
Yeah.
that
More
one
and more
before.
hilly,
Right.
and then in between Willcrest and or Kirkwood and Willcrest, it gets even more hilly.
Wow.
And then even,
We hadn't walked that far. We walked
No.
as far as Kirkwood.
Kirkwood. Yeah.
and then on the other, it went from Willcrest to the Beltway,
Uh-huh.
where it ends. There's a couple of really long steeps.
Now we saw off of Richmond, they're putting trails in. Is that to extend it further down toward downtown?
That doesn't connect with this
Oh,
yet,
not yet.
because they kind of run parallel this way. But from what I understand, the easement for the electrical lines that runs north and south, just on the west side of the Beltway 8, just a little bit to, like a couple blocks to the west side of the Beltway 8. I think the city and the power company has cleared the right of way for them to build cycle paths through there.
Cycle.
That might take like a year.
Year or so.
All right. Well, thank you very much for the.
Yeah, I mean, they're trying to connect everything. So the idea is eventually you'll be able to ride from Fry Road all the way through McGregor Park down to the ship channel off of Brays.
Wow.
But
I had a friend that was telling me about that. That's what they were trying to do. So you can go from one side of town to the other on the
yeah, which would be fun now, but not in August.
No. That's why we're out today. It's cool.
Yeah, it is. And if you go over Highway 6 to the dam,
Yeah.
the Barker Dam, then the path takes a shot north and follows the berm, the big berm all the way around behind those dealerships. Past even down past to Barker Cypress.
Okay.
We're right by, kind of a little bit west of the Volkswagen dealership and the caps where you can get animals.
Yeah.
It takes a turn and goes into Barker Park, and then there's a trail that goes all the way through that big park, all the way to Fry Road.
Oh,
How many
okay.
times have you walked it?
Well, I've never walked all the way to Fry Road.
I was going to see how adventurous you are.
I've ridden my bike all the way there. I've done a whole loop, and that's 35 miles.
35?
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
One day, not today, but one day.
On a bike.
On a bike.
Well, I really appreciate your information.
Pack water.
Yeah.
Indeed.
That's what she said
That's what I
today.
said. I'm real
And
thirsty.
and some protein.
Yes, yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You have a good morning.
You too.
That was a lovely talk.
So that is Memorial. That is down there by Kroger's.
Kroger's, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah,
Kroger's and H-E-B.
yeah.
Well, if you go back toward Highway 6, right where they, you probably won't know, used to be a pool supply. You make a left there, and that'll bring you to that subdivision.
Bike. No. Good morning. Oh, God, I love this park. One day we run. Will you run with me? Hell no, I'm not running. I have a hip, goddammit, but I need to get some shoes.
Listen, and with Chip, you don't run on this, you run on the grass.
On the grass, got it. But still.
But this is pounding on that joint, and the grass is just a little softer.
Yeah.
Or you go to Galveston Beach and run in the sand, in the hard part of the sand.
Uh-huh.
That's where they train horses when they have bad
Hooves.
knees.
Okay.
You take them to the beach and let them run on the sand.
Yeah.
Oh, you just said that she ate.
No, she did not.
Yes, she did.
Good morning, darling. No, she did not. I have to take you to the house because you.
She's a tippy toe runner.
I know my cousin runs like that. It's weird. Damn, it should be at least 4 miles now.
Oh, look, you got the phone out there.
I know. Let's see. I don't know. What is in there?
It gets high.
I hear the water.
It's a creek.
I know.
You can see when it rains how high it gets.
Uh-huh.
That sand right down below.
Yeah.
2.25 miles.
Hey, hi. 2.25.
See how high it is. Water comes all the way up to the bottom here when it fills up because it's just a dry creek.
Oh, I wouldn't hate to be back here when they had the floods, but the water is way over yonder.
You can see the sands all the way up
I
here.
see.
That's how high it gets
When it rains so much. Come here, Dad. Oh no, it's nothing. It looks like something was moving underneath the
Well, what?
and there's a log or a tree fell right there. You see?
There's something moving underneath.
And
The leaf fell.
It looked like something's living underneath there.
Yeah.
Walk away. Damn it. Good morning.
St. John DNA. Italian church. So that was the elementary school back there. That was he said the country club.
Well, it's that neighborhood shit. The fucking houses are huge shit. They're huge.
If you remember Mr. Perrott,
Parrot.
baseball team. He's a lawyer.
Oh, yeah.
He lived back in here.
Okay. Oh, Asians.
No, Mr. Parat, not Mr. Chin.
Not
Parat,
Mr.
Parat was, his son had curly hair, he's Jewish. And
Okay.
he took Jason and them up to
okay.
in his weekend cabin.
With the white water, they went to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
He lived back in here.
Okay. And the agent who
So
owned.
when I say this is your TJ Maxwell Memorial. It's not that far down,
Okay.
but it's on that street that you come into here.
Oh, okay. Good morning. Oh, it's so nice. It's so cool. Bike. They come so fast. Nobody say right or left. Am I in the way?
Yes, you are. That ass.
They're not watching my ass. Stop it.
How come they don't go this way?
Stop. You stupid.
Why you keep pushing me into the
I'm getting a view of the vegetation and it would be nice to have your house back up to here. That is really nice.
Brother man made it back.
Brother, he's making it. He's struggling though. He's young. He can do this. Good morning.
Like Marcus in the
He
face.
looks like Marcus in the face.
Black power.
It's not black. That flag does not say that.
When I'm out there and when I was working at National with Jackson, we back up, they have at the end of Kirby of Royal Oaks, they got these houses and they're sitting on hills and it rolls like this. And I had to go through the bushes to get to the tree. And I had a pole like this, but it was on a hill. So if I put my ladder to it, I had to go all the way down to the bottom of the hill. Then when I put it, I was still 50 feet.
The water dried up.
I told you, it's water for free.
Uh-huh.
When it rains, the water has to go somewhere. They put it into the creek.
To your left, baby. To your left, baby. Oh, yeah. We're going to get that here. God forgive me. You almost made her fall, baby. She said left. You need to listen. Now you can see the water. What the hell is the... Oh. Get over here. I'm like, what the hell is that bell?
I see That's a clown, huh? It's a clown now. Don't scare.
I'm like, what the hell is that bell? Shit. Clowns jump out of these woods, baby. They get fucked up. Oh, that's nice. It's real pretty. Oh, God.
He went down there and came back?
He went down and came back, baby. He can do that.
See there, right there.
Who?
Hanging in the closet.
I know. I bought one, but I never saw
I
it
get to
again.
see you. Something's wrong with that juice you put in there.
See, she was wobbling and she did fall down.
That was a big ass squirrel.
That was a big squirrel.
You saw it back there?
I did. It jumped. Hello. Good morning.
Hi.
He has a camera on his thing. I want one of those.
A mirror. So you can see behind.
Oh my God. Back in the day, this would be a park for me.
Wow.
Get secluded. I'd be too scared to come back here though. Oh, good Lord. We're going to have to invite Denise out to walk with us. She would like this. Well, she said she was coming next week. We were going to do our meals together.
Okay, y'all come, walk, do one meal, 2 meals for the week,
And,
5.
They usually, on the other side, when I walk from Dairy Ashford to Kirkwood, they had like people, or ladies in the morning, they had like a boot camp thing.
We came right down the street at the on the Elkridge.
Yeah. And you usually have the what's those birds? The big feather birds? Peacocks.
Buzzard?
No, peacocks. And then you can. I never saw them, but I can hear them. What are you looking? No, just my luck. I'll be sitting in this chair and.
Another memory of Dr. Kerr who fell off into the pool.
You
That
stupid.
water is stagnant.
It is. It's just sitting still. It's not moving.
Look at it. Fucking dog. I'm tired of that.
Who's she kicking?
A dog.
Isha's not kicking the dog. She look crazy as hell. The dog is running. She might be kicking the dog.
Look, kick him again.
She did not. She did not kick the dog. 409 number. You want to answer it?